Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Once again, my name is Promise Base Academy. So I want to show you three ways to play Alpha and Omega. First, for beginners, single notes, intermediate, a bit more busy, then advanced, a bit rugged approach, and all those kind of stuff. So without wasting time, I'm going to play it first, then come back to do a bit of explanation. If I were you, I would stay on this video from beginning to the end as a bassist to learn something free of charge. Without wasting time, let's go. So the first set of individuals are the beginners, where their bass movement is a bit more disciplined, not intentionally, but due to condition. They don't know how to move, how to be a bit more flexible around the board, how to create that beautiful ambience. So this is a beginner approach. We give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here is my advice to bass players. When it becomes too busy, then it becomes a problem. Okay? So you will learn the art of discipline. Know when to come in with such and know when to hold the note. For the purpose of this tutorial is not to be disciplined. The purpose of the tutorial is to be deliberate and to show you certain kind of movement. Okay? So let's go. Now, so you can see the movement. I am being busy intentionally. So when I played do fa mi re do ti, so what I played there was do fa mi re do ti re so re mi. So these things, it takes years of practice. I can play hundreds of different kind of moves. Now, where this move is very good is it will help you close the gap in the worship song and create a very good feel for you. Where it will be needed is when you have a lesser band, where you have maybe one bassist, one keyboardist, and a drummer. But when you have a complete squad, 2 pianists, a guitarist, a drummer, maybe huntsman, and all those kind of stuff with saxophone, then you have to cool down and start to play single notes. So let me show you something that you can apply for worship. Now, so instead of playing directly, you hammer on. You can see. So what we have is let me slow it down. La, mi, so, do, re, mi. Are we there? La, mi, so, do, re, mi. La, mi, so, do, re, mi. Then la, ti, re, mi, so, la, ti. La, ti, re, mi, so, la, ti. La, ti, re, mi, so, la, ti. So together is So you kind of relate it back to the progression. I know you're waiting for me to spell out all the notes, but that won't help you. You'll be doing copy and paste. The best way a bass guitarist should learn is find your own pattern. Every bassist has his own pattern under the heavens. There is no bass player that plays exactly the same. We copy one or two riffs to one another, then we create our own. Where you should be unique is your endings, how to relate the notes back to the progression. That is the main thing. Okay? So the risk scale is so let me do it again. So on and so forth. Now this part is on triplets. The song is a 4/4 kind of progression or movement, but this particular part of the scale is on triplet. Is on triplet, okay? La mi so do re mi. Then we have la ti re mi so la ti. This is the point where you begin to resolve it back. So on and so forth. So if this was a bit helpful to you as a bassist, please click the subscribe button. If you love videos like this, feel free to follow me and don't forget to click the notification bell. It will help alert you when a new video is released. God bless you. I'll see you again.